Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, we are going to be taking a quick look at Minecraft for the Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to hop into a game here. All right, here we go. So let's just click play here and go into my first world here, which I just started today. And I haven't done anything yet. I just made the world. So let's see how long this takes. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to get an Elgato capture card for this or if I'm just going to film like this. I know a lot of people prefer me to film like this, like with my hands. So it's not just a screen recording, but let me know what you guys think. Let me up the brightness just a bit here. And I am still learning the controls here. So this is where I spawned. So I should probably stay pretty close, at least for now. Got to figure out the controls here. All right, ZL create map. Oh, that's pretty cool. ZR mines. Crafting and inventory. So, all right, so we can craft some stuff here, it looks like. Toggle through the menus with the top buttons. Okay, cool. So let's do this. We've got a map. I don't know what that is for, but let's go ahead and mine these. Get us some wood, because obviously that's one of the first things you want to have in Minecraft. All right, there we go. I don't know how I just mined all the way up there, but we did it. So let's go over here and let's set us up. Let's start crafting something. Craft a couple planks here. It's always good to have. And then I think that's all you can make with this. So here's what we can craft over here. Let's get a crafting table, of course. And let's get a couple sticks. There we go. All right, cool. So we are looking good here. Let's place this. Actually, you know what? Before we place this, let's figure out what we're going to do. So let's build a house because we've got a crafting table. We need a little spot just in case nightfall comes. You know, we don't want to get stuck. So let's just mine out some floor here. And I do think I will be opening this up for people. Like if I make a realm, I think I have to do that. And then you guys can join, which would be pretty sweet. We're just going to dig this out a little bit. And we can also do another view where you guys can kind of see yourself. This is kind of what I'm doing. Kind of weird, but it'd be like that sometimes. I'm not sure if the volume's too loud or if you guys can hear it or not. Okay. So we've got a little shelter here. You know, if we have to hide from monsters or something later, that's good. You know, we can just dig like a little tiny hole if we have to. So let's place this here. How do you place it? ZL. Nope, that's not it. There we go. All right, cool. So now we can craft stuff, which is nice if I can figure out how to use it. There we go. And we can make, actually, I don't even know what we can make. I don't remember recipes at all. So let's go to the recipe book here. Handy dandy. Now I'm still getting used to these controls here, so bear with me for this first episode. But, oh, that's weird. The cursor kind of automatically goes to what it thinks you want. I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's kind of tripping me up a little bit. So at this point, I think we need to craft, what the heck? Okay, yeah, that's definitely tripping me out. A wooden pickaxe would be great. So that's what we need to make. So let's make that. So first things first, we're going to make, go over here, ZR, there we go. And put these in here. Let's get a couple of those. Now let's take this out, or not. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is tripping me out, the way it's like moving. Wait. Actually, I shouldn't have to do this. I should be able to just click on the recipe, right? Yep. So I can just easily click on this. So let's do a pickaxe first. And let's just get us a sword just in case something happens. Wooden hoe, wooden shovel, get a shovel, whatever. Let's just get a few of each. All right. So we're good here. We can use this on, oh, hello there, chicken. Should I kill him, guys? He's so cute. Let's not kill him. All right. Although I will probably need food at some point. Let's go ahead first and use the shovel. Clear this out. Whoops, wrong button. And yes, this gameplay is far better and far superior over Felix's. So don't at me. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some really cool stuff off camera and then just put it on camera so that it's not just like this. But this is like the first time playing, so I wanted to document this for you guys. The controls are a little wacky, so wow, the shovel sucks. So bad. I keep messing up too. Cool. So I did not get an axe, did I? Yeah, I did. No, I got a hoe. Why did I get a hoe? All right, prepare to die. All right, so I got some chicken. Now we need to mine. So let's create a little mine shaft here. What we're going to do in this episode, we're going to get coal, and we're going to... There we go. And you're not supposed to mine straight down, so... Oh, I probably should have prefaced this video by saying I haven't played this in probably a really long time, so... I'm still getting used to these controls because they're a little bit weird. I gotta make steps on the way down. Okay, it's getting pretty dark in here. And still no sight of coal, so... Okay, by the way, I've been playing this entire time through the viewfinder of my camera, so... If anything looks weird, or if I'm doing something stupid, it's probably because of that. Alright, it's becoming nighttime. It's a little bit concerning, so... Let's go ahead and... just get ready just in case. Let's cover up. How do I place it? CL. There. Oops. Okay, so now that's kind of closed off. It is now nighttime. We can make a stone pickaxe, which is nice. We also should get a sword going, just in case something happens here. I will up the brightness of my screen just a bit. Although, it is hard to see even on mine. I guess we can explore a little bit. We really do need to make this furnace here, so let's do one of those. It's always good to have. Oh my gosh, it's driven me out. All right. Nothing good here. I kind of want to make a door, so let's do that next. Let me darken this just a bit. All right. Inventory is X. We'll place the furnace here. Oops, whatever. Okay, that works. So now we can make some stuff here if we get coal. So this is actually pretty creepy. I really need some light around here, so we gotta get coal first. So let's use the pickaxe that I just created. Wait a second. This is my mine, right? Oops, what the heck is that? No, that's not my mine. I'm stupid. It's over here. Okay, I can't see anything down here. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I don't even know which way is up. There it is. So this is down. Oops. That was down. Is that cool? Sorry, tell. Let's see. No, okay. Let's go to the side. We're just going to go straight through. I hear monsters. And I think we just got coal, didn't we? I think we did. Oh my gosh, finally. Let's see. Yes, we got some coal. All right. I hear monsters back there, so let's be a little careful. Could be monsters up here, unfortunately. Yep. Let's just build a little shelter, honestly. Okay, these controls are really touchy. Not sure how I feel about that. Oh. Okay, that's what I get for looking through my camera viewfinder. Let's do this the right way. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just needs to have some protection here. Alright, so we've got the basic roofing done. Let's just close this up so that we don't have to worry about mobs. And then, I know that's kind of a dumb thing to say considering they can spawn in the dark, and it's going to be dark in here. But I just don't want any pop-up mobs showing up while I'm trying to mine. Okay, so that was kind of dumb, but we can make, we can go over here, craft we got to craft something good. We need this. What are we missing? Sticks. We need to craft a stick. Very easy to craft. Craft some sticks. I think you have to do these, right? Oh gosh, let's do this. Take this out. Put this in. And isn't that how you make sticks? Whoops. Put half of it here. Wait, fudge. Let's make this family friendly because I know a lot of kids play this game. How do I have it? Take half is Y. Oh my gosh, these controls. Take it. There we go. There we go. Okay. We got sticks. So now we can craft. We can go back to the recipe book here. Craft some torches. Here. And voila, we have light. Thank you. Okay. Is this going to be the outside? Nope. All right, cool. So let's place another one right there. It's pretty dark down here. Let's do another one. Okay. What is that? What is that? The dirt? No. What is that? Guys, I haven't played this in so long. I don't even know what that is. Ah. Oh. Okay. Struggling here, guys. I don't know what that is. What is it? Granite. Okay. I do not remember granite being in this game. Can I mine iron with this pickaxe? I don't know. Yes, I guess I can. Oh, sorry. Okay. You guys are going to have to tell me in the comments what the heck granite is for, because I'm not trying to make no countertops in this thing. So, let's light this up. Wow, we've got a lot of iron. That's great. Next episode, we're going to have some pretty lit items, I think. I'll probably go off camera, make some cool shit, and then hop back on camera once I've got it all going. This is pretty good. We got some good stuff out here. Oh, what the? Okay. Is that an enemy? Guys, I don't have any more light sticks. Okay, guys, I'm not sure what's going on here. This is kind of scary. I think I just landed in a... Fortunately, I landed in a spawner cave, I think, or whatever this is. Uh-oh. I hear the enemies, but I don't see the enemies. What is this? Okay, this is really creepy, guys. I need to, like, mark this spot so that I know how to come back. So we need to make, like, a step system. Whoops. Not like that. That is not how you do steps, guys. Pro tip. I think I got some experience from that. Okay. There's definitely enemies down there, like, straight up. So, we need to go back. Yeah. Okay. Yes, certainly. Okay. So, we know that that is definitely not a spot to go if you don't have weapons or torches. Luckily for us... Uh-oh. It's daytime. Sweet. So that means we can leave. Let's make a door over here. Next step, make a door. Let's do it. Why do I hear an enemy? Why can't I click on this? There's a creeper over there. I see him. Why didn't I make an axe? What is wrong with me? Why do I hear an enemy? Please don't be coming up on me, buddy. The heck? I don't see him. I hear him, though. Alright, cool. We need a door right now. How do we make a door? Oh. I don't want to know what's out there. Alright, let's make a door. How do we do that? We got a... Oh, we got a boat. We could straight up make a boat, guys, but we can't make a door. Oh, yeah, we can. There we go. Door. Sweet. We got 3 doors. Okay, that's a bit much. So where was I doing the door? Was it here? Here. Let's do it. Whatever. Let's put it back here. Put it on the outside so it looks a little bit cleaner. Yeah. Nice. Welcome to my crib. Except, hold up. You gotta put dirt on the top or else you're gonna play yourself. Right? Yeah. So this is my spot. It's looking pretty good. Gonna have to close that up. Cool. So it's pretty unassuming. So if y'all join my world, you might not know what it is, but now you know. By the way, my gamer tag for Xbox is Slimothy6. So if that means something to you. Die. Got some meat, got some wool. Now, one thing that I like to do with my worlds, I know it's not the most glamorous thing, but if I'm afraid I'm going to forget where my house is, everyone knows the good old, you got to just make a big freaking thing. But the problem is getting down. Oof. So now I can find my spot. I should probably eat this. Not raw, of course. We got to go into that underworld and see what's going on. So first we need coal. Come on. Then we will take raw mutton. Okay, that's new. Don't remember that. And now we wait for it to cook. There we go. We got a piece. Next up, chicken. I think that takes a little longer, but I don't care. There we go. Cool. Got 2 pieces of chicken, or mutton. Oh. I somehow filled up back up all the way to full health. Weird. Okay. Now we need to make a chest to store our items that we are about to get when we destroy the enemies. So, where the heck is the chest? Don't see it. So I think that means we need some stuff. Chicken is done. That is fantastic. Let's go make an axe real quick. Cut down some trees. You always need wood in this game, guys. That's a pro tip. Good. Okay, now, guys. I wish this was live so y'all could help me out here because I do not know what I'm doing. So we need to make some of this. Let's make some of that. All right. Then we go here. No, here. Yes. Crafting table? No. Chest. Yes. Take our chest. Swap it with the meat. Place it there. Boom. Heck yeah, guys. We've got this. So now we need to take the iron. Make some iron ingots. While we're at it, we can place some stuff back in here, like an extra door we don't need. Wait, what am I doing? I'm so stupid. Place it in here. Yes. So from here to here. The wool, I might need that later. Definitely not now. Saplings, don't need that. Granite, I still don't know what that's for. Wait, could we put that into the furnace? We're going to take this out. We're going to put granite in. Does granite do anything in the furnace? What the heck? Oh my gosh, it does. Let's see what granite makes. I'm actually really curious. It's just going to be a granite ingot. I'm going to be disappointed. Oh, smooth stone. Okay, let's... Oh, shoot. Let's not waste any more coal. Oh, I guess it'd be like that sometimes. So we will put the granite into the chest. Don't need it. Coal. I guess we could keep some in here. Or let's create some with that. Iron ingots. Let's see if we can create anything right now. Okay, so we got buckets, mine carts. Okay. We can make some armor. Iron sword, nice. Shears. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere, guys. But I don't think we need any of that yet. Let's chill with that for now. And in the next episode, we will go down into the scary mine shaft and hopefully be able to find some enemies and take them out. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.